Hi, Dr. Lim here. Today I have some special announcement to all of you. So recently, IMSAM has just appointed me as the Goodwill Ambassador for the Spirulina. So that the extent we are going to join hand with IMSAM, okay, to eradicate the malnutrition. You see, today about 40% of the children in the world are suffering from malnutrition, especially in the area of India, Pakistan and Africa. It is a very sad story because when the children is suffering from malnutrition, there are many things that will affect them lifelong. Okay, for example, for a girl, if a girl is suffering from malnutrition, the body will be stunned. Okay, that means the growth become very small. So when the body is become very small, next time when they bear the children, the quality of the offspring will not be good. So that the malnutrition is not only affect one generation, it will also affect the next generation. Another problem is a night blindness. That is more serious. Okay, they cannot see at night. Okay, if you do not treat the night blindness, at the end of the day, it will develop into full blindness. And in Pakistan alone, there are 6 million children suffering from night blindness. This is a staggering number. Okay, many people think that night blindness is due to vitamin A, lack of vitamin A. It is more than that. Basically, it's due to malnutrition. Not enough to eat, as simple as that. Okay, that in many parts of the world, actually in Pakistan and in India, we go to the village, sometimes they are so poor. They only eat the chili water, put some salt and eat some rice. How to get good nutrition in a way? That's why we already started in India and Pakistan. We started to give 3 grams of spirulina to the children. And the result is very successful. 100% of the children are treated with malnutrition, especially night blindness, 100% recover with only 3 grams of spirulina per day. Okay, only 3 grams. Now, in this video, I request all of you to join hand with me, to join hand with DXN, to join hand with IMSAM to fight against the malnutrition. Okay, how are we going to do that? Okay, the calculation is very simple now. Okay, 3 grams a day. Okay, so that 1 month is about 90 grams for a child. If through DXN, okay, if we produce a good quality, good quality spirulina, by the time we deliver the spirulina to the children, it takes us about $10 now. $10 for the production until delivery to reach the child. Okay, for 1 kilo. Okay, $10 1 kilo. That means one child 100 grams. Okay, that means you need only $1 now. Okay, to save a child. Okay, per month. So that we are going to go for $1 for one child campaign. Okay, you donate $1 a month. Okay, then you can take care of the 1 children. $1 is nothing at all. I think all of you, okay, we can easily go into this campaign. Now, in MLM, we always say that good things always bring prosperity. In Sunya, we also say peace and prosperity. So, in order to eradicate the malnutrition, we are going for peace now. We need things to be peace for all the people. Now, can we bring prosperity? Can we become rich by removing the poverty? By removing the malnutrition? The answer is yes, definitely. How? Say, every month you need to maintain the PV. How about you donate 1 month maintenance? That will take care of 10 children in a year. 10 children in a year. Okay. Now, if you donate 1 month's PV, okay, what the DXN will do, we will give you equivalent amount of voucher where you can contract back in the future products. It's very much like what we are doing now. Okay, your sales of May, okay, you can go and contract it in the future sales. So we are going to give you the voucher 1-to-1. Okay, if you take care of 10 children a month, this thing. So at the end of the day, actually you may not lose anything because you can claim back your this money. Then, so that we will eradicate malnutrition, by doing a few things. Okay, donate the money. Okay, and we're going to consume spirulina. Try to eat spirulina. So we say, cheers, take spirulina. Okay, so when you take spirulina, the more spirulina you're going to take, the more healthy you are. Not only that, no, we are helping the children. We are helping them, no, so they will become more healthy in the future. This is a good movement. I found that this is a very beautiful movement. Okay, the more you consume spirulina, the better our health. The better will be to overcome the malnutrition of the children. The better will be the society and this world. And we are going to focus on 3 areas. Okay, next time for you to control the products. First, you can control the spirulina products. Maybe from 5 to 10%, we'll decide in the future. Secondly, okay, we are going to help the poor farmers also, especially the cotton farmer and also the tea farmer. These 2 farmers is a very high on the seasonal rate, Okay, so in the future, let's say you donate for 10 child, we'll give you back the equivalent amount of the cash voucher, so that you can control spirulina, you can control the cotton products. This kimono, is a cotton products, okay, and also tea. We are going to launch the tea aggressively, okay, so that next time, cheers, drinking the tea, wear the kimono, helping the poor children. Also, you also can become a millionaire. So I request of you, okay, to join me, okay, to join DXN, to join InSum, okay, and tomorrow 9 o'clock Malaysian time and 5 o'clock Dubai times, okay, I'm going to sign this joint hand agreement with InSum. Okay, I hope all you participate in this beautiful program. Okay, this is a very, very beautiful program. Okay, I hope you'll be part of it. So thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.